So guys, Thomas here, TP Parts, Rc-Xtreme, down at the gravel pit with a custom made 1ofAkind ARRMA Kraton. Been raining and they have been, how you say, rechanging the gravel pit a bit here. So we are going to try some jumping here. As you can see, there are puddles everywhere. Okay guys, on the way down, I was almost saying that F word. No, I'm so got tired of, you know, there's no problem. This one is a little bit deeper, so I'm trying to get over here. And one reason I don't want to run down there while I'm taking the car is also I have some neck pain, which is not fun at all. I can tell you that. Seems like I'm going to stand right here. I don't want to get stuck here. It was a 100% pure driver's error. I mean, the landing was good. I mean, I jumped down, and one of the reasons that I traveled here, I don't know why, but I didn't want to run it through water, so of course it ended up in water instead. Let's see the carbon chassis. So guys, back on track here again. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna go for that later. I don't want to try this one. Now this is a perfect shape. The problem is the runner up there. Well, no one remembers, you know... I had a cutout there. Maybe I need to check the motor wires from the EC. See if I can drive this sucker up there. I definitely could. Check it out. Just give me a minute, guys. Ah, okay, now I know why. And broke down. Gardi. Well, it's really long. So, that's it, guys. Well, sometimes it happens. Yeah. Yeah, it's really warm, but not, of course, it's really warm down here. Well, I hope it survived. I have a few Max 8s that were, you know, TSD, and as soon as it got warm, not hot, it started to hesitate, you know, when you're full throttle. So I think I have 2. They are functional, but can't trust them. And I felt that power loss here, it just cut out for just a millisecond, and it's not strange when you don't have a cooling fan on this one. Well, that's it, guys. On to the next car. So guys, Thomas here. Fix the fan. Well. A pretty decent jump, don't you think, guys? I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit scared there, landing on the side, and it would be roasted. But it was a good amount of air. Same thing again. Cut out. I don't like that. Sounds like the motor mode. Yeah, definitely. But it still works. But maybe I need a new UVC again.